Hello everyone. Today is my birthday and I have decided to give myself the best gift that there is, the gift of self-love. I'm going to spend the whole day in my favorite forest preserve which is not far from my home. So come with me and let's enjoy the 100,000 trees, the white clouds floating in the blue sky and their reflection on the lakes with murmuring ripples. Someone once said the greatest gift and luxury in life is time, health, a quiet mind, slow mornings, ability to travel, resting without guilt, a good night's sleep, calm and uneventful days, meaningful conversations with people and with nature, home cooked meals, people you love, and people who love you back. This past year has gone by so quickly. It was go, 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 and I was trying to be productive at work, setting goals for myself. And I have to admit that at times it felt as if I did not have the luxury to rest. But today I have decided that it is time to relax, recoup, and rejuvenate. Just because we are not producing something for the world to see, does that mean we have become useless? And are we just wasting our time? I disagree. I find spending time in nature is similar to resetting our computer. It is this time of rest that allows us to hone our subtle skills of observation, develop our intuition, and even increase our humility and sense of empathy. After all, if we don't have creative and meaningful inputs, how can we expect to output anything that is of value? All year long, we live in our own bubble which we have created for ourselves, wanting things. I want this, I want that, I want more. It's always more, more, more. But the more is never enough. It is a cycle that feeds our ego and makes us more anxious, restless, and unsatisfied. A day in the forest, on the other hand, activates and opens up our senses to the world around us. To look outside this bubble, we can experience firsthand nature's unspoken laws and rules which we ought to incorporate in our own lives. Put your ear close to the whispering branch and you may catch what it is saying, said Guy Murchie. Forest bathing has been scientifically proven to ground our body, mind, and spirit. Why does it feel so good to connect with nature? How is it that once I leave the city noise behind and I'm surrounded by these 1,000 trees, I'm once again able to speak their language, empathize with the turtles and their need to bask in the sun, understand what the birds and the lily pads, the fish, the clouds, and even the ripples on the water are trying to tell me? It is as if I had never forgotten to speak or understand their language. I believe that the reason why nature brings out our inner child and we feel so rested in nature is because we come from the same source. We were made from the same material: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. We feel a kinship with nature. We are nature and we become nature. This is oneness with the universe, with God, acceptance of the universal power that creates all of nature and keeps it all in balance. The most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart, said Helen Keller. As I make my way through this ancient preserve, I can hear Mother Nature's voice. I am fabulous, and so are you, my child. It is at times like these that I understand the value of self-love. If I am part of Mother Nature, then I too must have infinite wisdom, creativity, resourcefulness, kindness, and empathy within me. This awareness and knowing the art and acceptance of self-love is the greatest gift we can give ourselves. Thank you for walking with me through my favorite parts of the woods. I'm honored by your company and I've immensely enjoyed having this conversation with you and with Mother Nature. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel.